Will they ever survive?
Guys, listen! Look, there's Goofy. Maybe he knows where we're at. Hey, Goofy. Hey, Goofy, do you know where we're at? What? How do we put in the Forgotten World? We're just new characters here. Except him.
I was here in 1920. And I was brought back in, so I'm not coming back out. I will not this in this Forgotten World. I'll tell you that right now. I just got back in. I don't know what to do that.
Yeah. Goofy, do you know how to get out? What? You do? We have to wait. We have to wait that long. He took us to wait 5 years. That's when the grand opening ceremony comes so we can win. That's when we get that fire. Let's just fly out. What are we supposed to do? Well, look who it is again. Mister, I'm going to take your heart out.
Oh, where?
Right. Here.
I have a gun.
I'm going to take your heart out.